Hello and welcome to my channel. Be sure and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified about new videos I'll be putting out every week just like this. In today's tutorial we're going to be doing another holiday glam Christmas party look. I have another one posted that I can link in the description so you can see that one as well. But we're going to be working with this beautiful new palette that I just got and I am in love with it. We're going to be using this green here, of course, and then I'm going to be using this pink as well, but I have a red pigment that we'll put over top of it that will hopefully make it look a little more red than pink. So be sure and start by prepping your eyelids with eye primer and setting it with powder, and then we're going to jump right in. So to start off with, I'm going to come in and get this green here. We're just going to put that right on this outer corner. Maybe even over into about the half. We're gonna come get this pink here. And then we're going to come in and get this loose powder pigment, this green, and you can do it with your finger, or if you get a brush wet, that helps as well. I'm going to put a little bit of water on this. That helps brighten it up and hold it onto the brush a little bit better. Get a little bit more water on there and then come in with that red loose pigment, put that over the pink and hope that it turns up more red than pink, because right now we're kind of looking like a watermelon. And then I'm going to just kind of blend where those two colors meet. I'm going to come in with this crease brush and that dark green again and try to darken up in the crease area. Now I'm going to get a little bit of this light pressed shadow here, and I'm going to put that just above the crease here. I'm going to get some of this silver gray here, tap it off, I don't want too much, and just do a little bit up here. Now I've also got a silver pressed shadow that I'm going to put on that same brush and just do a little bit of that as well. Okay, and then I'm going to come above that under the brow. Go back with that same brush and it's green. Just put a little bit under the eye, the lower lash line. And then a little bit of this pink. Some of this for the inner corner as well. Okay, and now we're going to get started on the other eye. Now I'm going to finish off the look today with this white gold eyeliner. Okay, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.